Good morning, everyone. We're taking another nature walk. It is 7:32 in the morning. Look at the beautiful sunrise. Look at the sunrise. And we're walking the trails. This is part of my journey to staying healthy. I don't want to use the W word, the weight loss word, because I'm focusing on staying healthy first and then maybe lose weight on the way. So this is where we came from, and this is where we're going. Good morning. Okay. Hope everybody's staying healthy and staying fit. I'll be posting this, I don't know, let me not promise. I'm good at promising and never finding time. But I just wanted you guys to see what I'm seeing. Look at this. Okay. Everybody have a good day. Bye.